Hello, barbecue fans and outdoor cooking lovers. If you have ever ruined a perfectly good steak because you did not have the right gear by the heat, you know how frustrating that can be. Today we are exploring the best grill tools set to upgrade your backyard cookouts. Welcome to Tech Kingo. Let's get started. The Cuisinart Grill Tools set comes packed with everything you need to transform your backyard barbecue into a truly professional cooking experience. When you are standing in front of a hot fire, having a bunch of mismatched and flimsy utensils can really slow you down. Cuisinart has completely solved this issue by creating a comprehensive 20-piece kit that covers nearly every single need for outdoor cooking. Instead of running back and forth to your indoor kitchen to grab missing items, you will have a complete arsenal of high-quality accessories right at your fingertips. Let us talk about the star player in this amazing kit, which is the premium chef spatula. The Cuisinart Chef Spatula features a smartly designed, serrated edge along the side. This is incredibly useful because it allows you to easily cut into meats right there on the hot grates to check their progress without grabbing a separate knife. On top of that, it has a handy built-in bottle opener. Staying hydrated is a major part of grilling culture, and having a bottle opener built into your main tool adds so much convenience and fun to the whole process. Next up, we have the heavy-duty stainless steel grill tongs. When you are dealing with intense flames, you need something that gives you total control. These tongs are crafted for maximum precision, making it exceptionally easy to grab, flip, and serve your food efficiently. Whether you are turning delicate vegetables or wrestling with a massive rack of ribs, the Cuisinart grill tongs give you the secure grip you need. Another impressive tool is the digital temperature fork. We all know the pressure of serving perfectly cooked steaks. This digital fork takes all the guesswork out of the equation. It features a built-in alarm system that alerts you when your food has reached the desired temperature limit, ensuring your meats are cooked to absolute perfection every time. Adding flavor is just as important as the cooking itself, which is why this set includes a high-quality silicone basting brush. Silicone holds thick marinades beautifully, allowing you to spread them smoothly and evenly over your meats without shedding small hairs onto your food like traditional brushes. The Cuisinart Grill Tools set also includes fantastic accessories for your side dishes. You get 4 pairs of durable corn holders for enjoying hot corn on the cob safely. You also receive 5 metal skewers. These are perfect for making delicious kebabs, as they are sturdy enough to load up with your favorite ingredients and easily turn over the flames. After the cooking is over and the food is eaten, nobody looks forward to the cleanup process. Cuisinart has made this tedious chore much easier by including an 18.5-inch grill cleaning brush. The extended length is a fantastic feature because it keeps your hands and arms safely away from the residual heat of the grates while you scrub. To make things even better, the set comes with an extra replacement brush head. Once your first brush naturally wears out from frequent use, you can simply swap it out and keep grilling, giving you excellent long-lasting value. All of these incredible tools need a good home, and everything here is housed inside a sleek aluminum carrying case. This durable case is not just for show. It provides a highly organized and compact solution for storing all your tools in one place, preventing them from rattling around and getting scratched. The case makes transport an absolute breeze. Whether you are heading to a local park, a neighborhood block party, or a family camping trip, you can just grab the handle and take your entire outdoor kitchen setup with you. Because the presentation and overall build quality are so exceptionally high, the Cuisinart Grill Tools set makes an incredibly thoughtful gift for the barbecue enthusiasts in your life. Whether you are shopping for a special Father's Day present, looking for an unforgettable birthday gift, or trying to find the perfect Christmas surprise, this complete package will surely put a huge smile on any griller's face. By perfectly combining top-notch practicality, long-lasting durability, and pure convenience, this amazing set makes outdoor cooking far more accessible, highly organized, and deeply enjoyable for everyone. Upgrade your next barbecue and become the ultimate grill master today. Check the price link in the description to secure your set. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome product showcases. Have a great day and happy grilling!